Hello children, today we will start first chapter from your reader book, A True Friend. So this is the story of two friends, Rahul and Raj. They were best friends and they were studying in class 4 and both were good in sports. Okay, but Rahul was poor in studies and Raj used to win everything. In class also he is always winner and in sports also. And this became jealous of Rahul became jealous of Raj. So one day what happened in the athletics game, okay, one day they were having one sports and Raj and Rahul both were participated in that, and Rahul was thinking that this time also Raj will win the race, and he was very jealous, so he decided to do something to win this sports. What he did, he dug a pit on the field, okay, small pit on the path where Raj was supposed to run. He covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. So when the race started, see what happened. He dug see the picture, he has dug the field, and what happened when this started, Raj was ahead of Rahul, and but after some time Raj stepped on the pit and fell down, and he was really seriously injured. And when Raj was very injured and he was crying, then Rahul overtook him and he was very happy that his plan was success and he won the race. Okay, Rahul took the trophy home. His parents were also very happy. His friends were very proud of him that this time Rahul has won the graying sports, and he started feeling that he did not deserve the trophy as he had cheated and hurt his best friend. Okay, then he realized that he had done something wrong. He had cheated his friend and got this trophy. Then he went to the principal's room and he apologized that he has done the mistake. He said that yes, I have done a big mistake, I have cheated my friend. He admitted that he had dug the pit in which Raj had fallen down. The principal said, I am very happy that you have realized your fault. Rahul, you should make friend with Raj and promise me that you will not betray him again. Betray means not cheat him again. Besides, you must study very hard and secure good marks like your friend. Now Rahul went to Raj and apologized. Apologize means he realized that he has done the mistake. Okay, from the core of his heart means from inner heart he said sorry to Raj. Raj forgave him and agreed to be friend with him again. So what happened then, after some day a class test was held and Rahul got poor performance. He managed to score very less marks. His principal said that this time you have got the last chance. If you do it this way, poor marks, then I will punish you. Then Rahul was ashamed of himself and he was crying bitterly. Then Raj came to him and he said, don't worry, I will help you. And he helped him a lot in the studies. And what happened, lastly, Rahul, he came first in the examination. Indeed, it was the happiest day of Rahul's life. He thanked Raj who had stood second. Okay, his principal was also very happy with their result. After this, Rahul and Raj remained true friends forever. So this was the story of Raj and Rahul. Now you have got the correct options. Rahul was jealous of Raj because he always won in cycling. Okay, I always stood first, was a good at heart. Also, first was both are correct. Always stood first. Okay, Rahul dug a small pit on the path because he wanted to win the race. Okay, now third is Rahul worked hard for the term and examination because the principal had given him a warning. Now read the extract is given. Who is the speaker? I have given the answer here. and after that also I'll give the answer. Okay, now complete the dialogue between Raj and Rahul, where Rahul apologized to Raj for his act. I'm sorry, Raj. What are you sorry for? You don't know, but I had dug a pit where you were supposed to run. Why did you do that? I wanted to win the race, but now I have realized my mistake and apologize to you from the core of my heart. I'm happy that you have realized your mistake. I forgive you. Let's be friends again. Now these question answers are there. I'll give you afterwards. Let's discuss the objective questions. Objective ones, matching here. Rivals means opposite of rival is friends. Good is bad. Happy, sad. Hard, soft, and bitter, sweet. Okay. Now these words are given in the fill in the blank. The principal congratulated Rahul for his good performance. Sheila is very happy as her brother is coming from America today. Mechanic hit the bolt hard with his hammer and broke it. India and Pakistan are great rivals in cricket. Traveling is a ship in a ship was a bitter experience for Sunita, for she often suffered from seasickness. Okay, now there is a see work in pair. What is given here? Jumble words. Okay, now teacher, you have to write the correct spelling of teacher. See, jealous, correct spelling I have written Gealous. Determined also Determined. Okay, now double N, it is not double N, it is single N. Determined. Determined. And guilty is Guilty. Now bitterly Bitterly. Deserve Deserve. Okay, you correct it. Some spellings are wrong here. Determined and deserve. Okay, you see and correct it. Okay, now at a stone's throw, cruel, stone hearted. See here the meaning. Idiomatic expressions are given. At a stone's throw, very near. Stone hearted means cruel. Okay, now this given in the fill in the blank. Now the new garment store is at a stone's throw. Stone's throw means very near. Okay, from my house. Mr. Pal is stone hearted. Stone hearted means very cruel. Okay, now next is worn. This pronounced again. One another meaning. Similar word is one. One. Made. Similar word. Maid. Weather. Similar spelling words pronunciation. Wather. Principal. See here again one principal. But meaning different. Okay, both words meaning different. Same pronunciation. Principal. No. Know. No. Now these answers I have given here. Okay, you have to write it in your copy. In one letter is also there. Imagine yourself Rahul feeling sorry for what you did. Okay, see here letter is written. I have given you. Afterwards I'll show you the this question answers also. Okay, let's see the question answers. Read the extract and answer the following questions. You have to write this in your copy. Okay, this is your homework. Do not worry, this is just a class test. Who is the speaker of the above line? Who is talking to him? Raj is the speaker of the above line. He is talking to Rahul. Why is this listener worried? The listener is worried because he has scored very less marks in class test. What does the statement tell you about the speaker's character? The statement tells us that the speaker is honest and caring friend. Answer the following question. See, and why was Rahul not happy even after winning the race? Rahul was not happy even after winning the race because he felt as he had cheated and hurt his best friend Raj to win the race. Do you think Rahul deserved the trophy? Give reason for your answer. No, Rahul did not deserve the trophy because he had won it by cheating his best friend. What warning did the principal give Rahul? The principal warned Rahul to perform well in the examination, otherwise he would be punished. Why was everyone surprised to see the term and examination result? Everyone was surprised to see the term and examination result as Rahul had stood first in the class. Life skills. Have you ever cheated anyone to win a game? If yes, how did you feel afterwards? Could you gather courage to confess your faults to the person concerned? Share your experience, feelings, and thoughts in the class. No, I have never cheated anyone to win a game. Now, value based, what does the word sportsmanship means? Do you know? Is it important to win every game or you play, or it's fake participation enough? Discuss in the class. The word sportsmanship means the quality of being fair, generous, and polite when someone plays a game. It is not important to win every game we play. Only a fair participation is enough in any sports. Imagine you are Rahul. You are feeling sorry for what you did to defeat Raj. Write a letter to Raj apologizing for your behavior and asking him to be your best friend again. Now, the letter format is you have to write the address, but now I've written date. Then, dear Raj, I'm sorry for my behavior. What I did was really bad. I really apologize for my bad behavior. Please forgive me and be my best friend again. Waiting for a reply. Yours sincerely, Rahul. So these are the question answers. Okay, you have to write in your copy. Thank you.